We are a manufacturer of a wearable surgical light used in the operating rooms. It's very unique, 100% made in Japan. The online platform paves the way for us to connect with potential clients, potential distribution partners. And through the online platform, we contact them, we schedule a meeting online again, and then we show them and describe the product, its benefits, its features. And when they're convinced, we connect again to provide them with a demo unit. Oh, absolutely, if you have a product, innovative product, definitely put it on MedicalExpo to get a lot of exposure.